Sorry about the noise. Station motors. Poor old silver things. In for MOT. I'll get underneath her as soon as I finish my fag. Don't know whether you can see much down here though. It's a bit dark. How clean that sump is. Oh, it's dark. It's too dark. Got a little bit of a drip there. Of course, it's got the larger fuel tank on it. Another 2 foot longer than a standard tank. Let's go a little bit further. There's all my Eberspatcher junk. And the air breathers inside there. Keep them well apart, at least a metre. I reckon that my prop shaft bearing's gone, but because sometimes when you deaccelerate, she'll drone a little bit, and it's only every now and then as well. So that's why I'm wondering whether it is that just suddenly goes out of sync. Because of course, because this is the jumbo, that one's all right. Because this is the jumbo, it's got 2 centre prop bearings. Absolutely ace almost. Helmer third. Yeah, she's all right. You can tell I haven't used her for a while. Look at the state of those discs, and they're brand new last year. Yep, no rust in there whatsoever. Of course, I had all new brake pipes last year as well. It's my wastewater pipe, flexi down into an inch conduit. There you go. Oh. Oh!
Outside. Headlight. Main. Dip. Answer. Hazard off indicator. Brake. Other side. Fog. Reverse.
Shh. Shh. He's on. Okay. Huh? It most probably is.
What's the fog light back on? Fog light. Alright. Handbrake. Off. Handbrake. Off. Foot brake. Off. Handbrake on. Off.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Foot brake. Off.
right, good boy. Move out of the spot. This handbrake's doing nothing at all.
Eh?
Nothing at all, it's handbrake.
On the foot brake?
And
Handbrake. I never use the handbrake anyway. Use the string on the bristle.
That's irrelevant.
That's the foot, is it?
Yeah, foot brake's alright. I think a cable's stuck on it.
Eh?
Cable caliper. But you put a cable, you put the handbrake on in here and he moves on the left hand side.
Yeah.
But not necessarily didn't.
Alright.
Like he's too far, like the lever's too far forward already.
Alright, so the caliper wants adjusted back then?
Could be caliper, mate, yeah.
I'll always leave it in gear.
And you got a brake pipe burst as well.
Eh?
Brake pipe's gone bang.
Where?
I don't know, it's going bang on the brake test. 226562.
It just went bang.
Yeah. 226 562.
The sun's gone down now. I don't know whether you can see it better down there. It's that pipe there, the second one down. Right, as you can see, it's loose. Right, but it goes right up behind the engine, right over there. No way can I get to that. Right, because it goes round and over the top of the tunnel by the gear stick, and then comes back out and up round there. No way can I get all that out. I'm just going to cut it off. Just going to cut it off there. Somewhere, yeah. I'll get the cutters out and I'll cut it off there, and I'll run the new one up over the top of this lot. It's a rigmarole. It's just arrived. I don't know whether you can see it on the camera. No? I don't just by see it in my lens. It's arrived, but it is supposed to go behind the engine. And I hope it is steel, plastic coated steel, but I'm hoping that it will bend so I can put it over the top of the engine, not under it, as it's doing at the moment. That was so difficult. That one's in. Goes across the top of the fuel pump now instead of behind it. A fuel filter. Goes across, right across the back of there, look. Next to those pipes. Down here, it's in. I put wherever it touches, I put it inside conduit. Wherever it touches, goes into the cylinder there, and where it goes over the top of the fuel filter there, it's in conduit, just as though it doesn't rub through. I haven't put the ABS plug back on. If I can get it back on, so yeah, I'm gonna have to go putting that back on. I might have to go underneath the pipe. Right, That's done. Got all the wheels off because you've got to bleed the whole system. Yeah, he's off. Because I've only got 2 axle stands, I can get to the bleed nipple on that side because he came undone easy, the one on the other side didn't. And yet it's only 12 months, so got it all ready to siphon through. Daughter's making tea and bringing it out to do the same thing. Right, catch you in a while. Right, I've changed over to my old camera because I don't want to get brake fluid on the Osmo. The brake cylinder. This is Ford's flaw with the brake cylinder, is that you can see that the brake fluid's there, and you can see it's up past the maximum mark, but it's not. That is an S-trap. So you have to go, shine a torch through it is the best, and get your level, because I can see that I've filled it up and the level's up here, but you can't see by gauging it through there. That's their flaw. That stays there even when the reservoir is empty. So that's their flaw. Right. Well, you still see it. Put you there. That screws on in its place of the lid. Right, make sure it's tight. Oh, get bloody brake fluid everywhere it does. Right, and then all I've got to do is turn the tap on. But I won't turn the tap on until I'm at the wheels, ready to do it. So I got to go and get the bottle jack now, and take this front wheel off so I can get to the bleed nipple. I can do this one off the floor, but you start at the back, the furthest one away, and work your way forwards. So I'll go and get the trolley jack and start again. There is wind noise, I do apologise. It is very windy today, so I'm undoing that. So far, I got reservoir down there, pipe to go on the top. Let's turn that round a bit. Of course, it's freaking windy, so it's kind of right. I'm going to put the camera there. I don't know whether it'll pick it up or not. We'll soon find out, won't we? Yes. It's just started to come through. You can see. Leave it for quite some time to pressurize the system and get all the air bubbles out of the lines right the way from the front through the ABS, through all the ABS system, and back to here. Right folks, I've had to leave it there. I've put it all back together, the pipe's on. I've bled and bled and bled it by pumping the pedal, and then I read on the forum, on the transit forum, that it's got to be done by the computer, because all the fluid ran out and the ABS module ran dry. It has to be done through the ECU. So as luck as it, I do have the program on the laptop, and I do have the OBD port plug, so I can plug the computer in and I can check everything that's on the van, all codes, everything. That's why I don't have any codes on my van, because I can put them right. So I've got to wait now until I can go back down to the garage, so I can get it over the pit and do it properly. They have to be opened simultaneously, if that's the right word I used. Yeah, so I've got to wait, and of course it's bank holiday weekend, so I can't go down there until Tuesday. So I'll do a follow-up on Tuesday when I get round to it. I've put it back down on the floor, I've driven it around, and there is a brake, but it's virtually on the floor. It's not good enough for me. I like it that when I touch the pedal I go through the windscreen. So until then, I'm leaving it, and I'll do a follow-up. If you're interested, I'll do a follow-up on Tuesday, Wednesday. So thanks very much. Cheers for watching. So thanks very much. Cheers for watching. You telling me that didn't record?